Happy holidays!
Happy holidays, guys.
Yes.
This is our Christmas Day / Boxing Day, you know,
Yeah.
because we went to our family's house yesterday, so we didn't cook. So today, basically, I put on all the work. Here you go, Carrie. No patience.
It's crazy.
So this is the aftermath of all the craziness that went down in the kitchen today.
Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Stuffed. What do you call it? Stuffed boneless chicken.
So that's my debone chicken, debone and stuffed.
Some curry goat yasso. Well mad. Some Christmas cake up yasso. Well mad again. Yep.
And we got our gungu rice and peas right there.
Yeah, looking good. That look like a wine share alone that.
It's a small amount, but then I know it's also rice, so then we got our wine glasses that AJ messed up.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, my peeps. So it's just the four of us here today. Jaden not around. Jaden gonna spend a couple of days with relatives, you know?
I think you meant just the three of us, because we're used to having four.
Oh, right. Me I miscount. Yeah, that's the three away. Right, Kai? Yeah, man, Jaden not here today. Him gone. You know, for sharing him, isn't he?
Yeah, we miss you, Jay. We miss having you here, boo boo. But we have to share him. So, yeah.
Peeps, the video is out. Alright?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Video is
So,
out.
if you're seeing my stove, this is all the stuff that food came out of, alright?
You need to just take the chicken out of that.
Just the chicken out of this. This is my, alright. Don't be judging me, alright? I have to put you on, alright. Some of y'all love judge. Never mind, anyways, let's eat.
Yeah, so the video put out today, premiere,
Yeah.
overwhelming response.
Yes.
We appreciate that. You get me? I say, sister, I really appreciate the 1 year of hard work we put in on a property there.
And
you get
we,
me? I say,
yeah, we really appreciate, because we put in so much work and we admire so much, and we also appreciate you guys coming out and showing us all your support all through the year.
Trust me.
Some of them from day one, and I see y'all in the comments.
Yeah, man. I mean, overwhelming. Around 5 times watch the video, you know.
Can I tell you what?
About 5 times I rewatch the video. It's crazy, you know.
It is. It's nice to watch that whole tour. As you said, when we were doing that whole tour, we were like, wow.
Yeah.
I think it's when we actually got into the house, when they did the house, we were like,
Yeah, it
do
proper.
you realize that we're always doing other people's house tours?
Yeah.
Houses are units that other people built, but no, we actually built our own. Yes, baby? Yes? I don't know what that means, but
Yeah. Guys, you know, more just thank the workman them one more time. You get me? I say, you know, big up to Everton and Corey.
yeah.
You get me? I say, them start it off. Big up. Me I big up the other man them who dig the foundation, come help with dig the foundation and thing. Big them up. You see me? I say, big up the guys them who do the tray ceiling. You see me? I say,
Yes.
you know, me have to big up Rowan and Zaik. You see me? And Rowan he come with a second too. The plaster guy. Zaik are the guy who do the framing, and then Rowan do the plastering, you know. Big up Gigi, electrician, you know what I mean? Yeah, big him up. Ariel,
Oh,
my bridging that.
irritated me. I wanna go. Like what?
Hey Kyrie.
He amazes me so much. Listen, you just look on him and all of a sudden he's doing something totally new.
Yeah. But guys, Kyrie fall the other day, right? Him stand up on the veranda, a ball for him mother, and then the next thing we know, him a pitch over upon him face.
I just
So,
came
he
and
just-
saw him full dirt face down.
Yeah.
And I was like, what happened, babe? You didn't even do this. Like, this is a natural response. Like,
Easy.
what happened? You can step down from the patio, you never step down. And you never did this. Like, we could have, even at Coco.
Yeah. But it never hit. It never really hit anywhere. It just like slide. It really never bad, but you know when cut a heel, it kind of look worse. You know, him just barely did scrape him in face. You know, you finish? Okay. All right. So without further ado, you know. Oh yeah. So as I was saying, so big up Errol, big up Errol. And think Errol really Errol do the whole of the tiling and him help me with some other little things around the place too.
Yeah.
I have big up Errol upon that. You get me? I miss anybody? Oh, big up the shower land guy them. Big up the shower land man them do a good job. Top style finish. Them go hard. Big up Anthony countertop. Big up. You see what I say?
The door, but like all the
Kevin. Big up Kevin. You see me I say Kevin our carpenter. Big up Rusty. Big up Rusty. And my brethren from St. Thomas, family friend from St. Thomas. Him organize the tree cutting. I'm gonna call him right now. I'm gonna give him a call.
Him even carry the board.
Him bring them come.
He brought them from St. Thomas to us.
You see me I say?
Big up Rusty.
I'm gonna big him up. I'm gonna call him right now. Just call Rusty, I'm not get him on the phone. But trust me, Rusty help you out big time. All of the furniture them in the place. All of the wooden furniture them, you know, because I feel him help, you know. Our lumber, but him really help me because me know they are St. Thomas. Him organize the tree cutting because I don't know nothing about them something there. You get me I say?
True.
Yeah, and as Kia say, him bring them come, them line them out, set them for dry, enable them for dry and then carry them come on my foot right at Portmore, yes, so come give me. You see me? So, I appreciate Rusty for that, man.
Definitely.
You know? Careful, Kai. Careful.
So put some pineapples in there for him as well.
Yeah.
We'll be going live on New Year's Day at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. alright, babe?
Yeah, that's fine.
At
So,
6 p.m.
yeah, January 1st, Sunday, this Sunday, January 1st,
Yeah.
we'll be together reacting to the whole journey, right? You can tell us live what you think.
You guys can send in your questions. I know that a lot of you guys have questions because I've seen persons on the road and they have said, boy, I am thinking about constructing and I have some questions. I've been thinking about, I'm in the process of constructing and I have some questions. So I can answer your questions completely on the road, but if you send your answers, if you send in your questions, then we can try to have a discussion this Sunday on our live. So the 1st of January at 6 p.m. Make it a date.
Yeah,
Don't be late.
Don't be late, guys. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So this is it. This is the boneless stuffed chicken.
Yeah.
You know, curry goat, yeah, so. You know. Yeah, man.
Like, it's been such a crazy week. And such a crazy year.
Crazy year, yes.
Such a crazy year. We're looking to settle down. We're looking for our 2023 to look a little bit lighter.
Less chaotic.
Less chaotic.
Jesus.
Less chaotic.
Indeed.
You know, so but we really do love the support that we get from you guys, and remember to continue to support the Del Pride family throughout 2023. All right, we love your support, and we love to encourage you guys because the simple as you see it, encouraging, doing all that we do. You know, you encourage us and we encourage you, and we're just one big happy family. So big up all the D Squad members.
Come on, Kyrie. Kyrie, let's mess up the place now, babe. Come on. Oh, boy.
Big up all the D Squad family out there of our cheerleaders. You cheer for us, we cheer for you. And we strive basically in giving you content that you like. And it's so good that we have similar tastes. So what we like, you like.
Yeah.
You know? So big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, and big up all of, our sponsors. All of the brands where choose to come on board with us. Local and overseas.
Yes.
You get me I say? We really appreciate y'all. Thanks for choosing us to work with. You see me I say? Before we start list companies,
Yes.
it got kind of rough. We probably don't, because we didn't. This wasn't scripted. This video wasn't scripted, so we don't have a list. But yeah, man, we appreciate all the companies that chose to come on board. You know.
Work with the Delprat family.
Yeah, man, small and large.
Exactly.
Help we achieve it, because it's rough. You know, for us to do all that we've done.
Yeah.
There you go. Carry, just announce at the place. Carry now eat the food. Rice nice and shelly, man.
I don't need any more than that. Harry don't eat rice. Period. You eat gum produce. You want more rice? Want more rice?
Yeah, a little bit, that little piece of a curl up right there, so yeah. Alright, and some gravy. And then I'm good.
Oh, you just want gravy? You don't want any of this? I can take it.
No, I take it back. Curry goat look nice too, man. Dang, look at that. This is a nice little celebratory meal.
That is true.
A nice little celebratory meal, eh? Yes. Yeah, man.
That is true. This is like our whole day's worth of cooking. I even baked. Even baked cake. You want this too, Kai?
You think you want to eat that? You think you want to eat that?
Enjoy.
No, that's the bone one.
From my plate. From my plate. Because I curry, I don't want to have it. You know,
Yeah,
curry not
right.
Kyrie, what's up? Oh.
We're praying a special prayer for, you know, our completed project.
Yes.
You know? Here we go.
Yes, pray. Mighty God, I want to thank you so much for carrying us through this year. Because through you all things are possible. And when you say go, you will bless and you will give the increase. So we thank you so much for carrying us through this year, for giving us strength, provision, ideas, for carrying people our way to help us along. Thank you for blessing us with the persons who are watching our videos to encourage us along and to give us support. I pray that you continue to bless our family, bless our viewers and our subscribers, and that your will be done. In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. Yeah. I mean, it's really a good feeling, you know. My WhatsApp, I blow up. All of my friends, them, I reach out. Some WhatsApp group where I never even share the video, you know, with other friends and stuff like that. Them I post the video and I big me up and thing. It feels so good. A couple of friends where Kyrie, couple of friends where I hear that I haven't heard from in many years. Them I reach out and, you know, I big me up. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. You know, thank you. We appreciate the love. We appreciate the support.
We do.
You get me? I say we really appreciate y'all. Trust me, appreciate y'all. Wow. Delicious. Proper. Mutton turn up, you know?
Enjoy that, babe.
Yeah, can I get a couple more, please?
You can take the old pot. Well, when is Jaden coming back? Because I'm all food, you know. When you come back?
I'm going to film tomorrow.
Jaden is a legit foodie. So, just leave a little bit for Jaden.
Mutton bad, man. Mutton bad. I eat a more rice, but My belly I get big, so I got ease off for the rice. Now I eat no more rice. But me take the climb mountain. Yeah, bad.